How to redeem exclusive items in Roblox. Now, in order to redeem exclusive items in Roblox, you just simply need to open your browser and search for Roblox. Then open roblox.com website, and now after opening the roblox.com, you will see something like this in the home page. Now, in order to redeem exclusive item, tap to these three bars, and from there you will get to see this option of buy gift cards. Tap into that, and after tapping in buy gift cards, you will see this option of redeem card into very top right corner. Tap into redeem cards, and after going into the redeem section, you just simply need to enter the code of the exclusive item which you would like to get in your Roblox. Enter the code and tap to redeem, and this is all you need to do in order to get the exclusive item. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.